You have to already start thinking, because most people are always focused on, hey dude, like even if it's in their relationships or whether it's in their business, whether it's in a sport, whether it's in everything, what are the best people doing in any profession, bro? They focus on what they could control. They don't focus on what they can't control. They're not focused on, oh, this person's talking shit about me, this person is trying to hold me back, oh, this situation got presented to me in life, whatever the case may be. They're not worried about that, bro. They're focused on how can I perfect my craft? Whether it's sales, how do I say this perfectly with the perfect tonality? How do I deliver this message to my people? Because at the end of the day, you're a leader now. Now you're gonna have to be leading people inside your fucking business. You're gonna have to be selling them on the fucking dream every single day. And if you're not selling them on the fucking dream, you're not hopping on Zoom calls, you're not in their chats, you're not fucking in their ear 24/7, guess what? You're not gonna be able to do anything, dude. You're always gonna be selling 4, 5 deals, 6 deals. That's good for door knocking. You're thinking that's good money, but it's like, dude, no, you can make $300,000, $250,000 every fucking month if you build it and you structure it out correctly. Because most people are just thinking, like how I said, they're thinking of shit that's out of their control, bro. Like, oh, this girl don't like me. Oh, this girl don't like me. I can't control she doesn't like me, bro. She doesn't like me. I'm sorry. Like, okay, move on to the next one. I'm sorry. Like, life sucks sometimes. It's not even 80% of the time shit goes my way. But just because it doesn't go my way doesn't mean that I'm gonna quit. Doesn't mean that I'm just gonna hold myself back and I'm not gonna be doing what I need to do. Dude, this is gonna be hard for you. It's a transition. It's something that you're learning, dude. It's a skill that you're learning. I commend you because you're going out and you're fucking doing it. Pero también no te creas that you're gonna be able to do it by yourself. I have the same problem, bro, where I think, I'm the fucking best. Ain't nobody gonna beat me. But at the same time, it's like, dude, no matter how good someone is, no matter even if it's a soloist fucking sport, bro, tennis, boxing, anything like that, you need a team. You need people that back you. Behind every successful person is a great fucking team. A team of people that believe in that person. So at the end of the day, you like, even when you text me or you tell me certain shit, bro, like I don't take it personal, but at the same time, we need to be able to communicate and say, hey dude, I understand, like we're fucking busy, we're doing this, and that's the proper way to speak to people. And to be like, hey, let's set up a time for us to do it. Happens with my mentors all the time. It happens with people that I need to get advice from. But guess what, dude? Hasta uso la puta mente because I know I need them. Yeah. Even if it's like, just even think about it, even if you didn't even care about the person, you need the person. So it's like, they got something you want. So you need to sell yourself on people that have the leverage that you want, that have done what you've done, that have proven track record of results. You know, it's not just as simple as like you making a decision on your own now. That's what I'm trying to get to you. Because most people just think for themselves, dude. I think like, oh, if I have to do something, I'm like, dude, I gotta like think for my company. I have to think for my guys. I have to think like, I gotta pay this, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. Ain't nobody just going out and spending fucking money, bro. It's like, you can't just do that. Because then you're stealing from your own potential, bro. So at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. What matters is who could get me the quickest there. How fast can I get there? Speed, bro. Acceleration of growth. It's not, and get yourself out of your fucking way. It's not gonna happen. Not even 80-90% of the time, dude. When I visualize something, it doesn't happen the way that I thought it was gonna happen. The way I thought I was gonna see $100,000 in my bank account didn't happen the way it happened. It just happened, and I looked one day and I was like, oh shit, I have $100,000. I wasn't even thinking about that. I was thinking about, hey, I gotta do this, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. Oh, dude, I told myself literally like a year and a half ago, I want to get a 6-figure deal. Ended up getting a $145,000 contract, and I was like, oh shit, like all of a sudden it just happened. It wasn't like, oh yeah, dude, it just happened magically, and like, yeah, like it just happened, bro, because I was working towards it every single day. And all of a sudden your opportunity comes, and if you're prepared, you're gonna seize the opportunity. Pero nunca va a ser como tú quieres. It's not gonna come when you want it to come. It's gonna come when you're ready, bro. So no quieras brincar antes de que puedas like fucking walk, bro. It's a process. Of course, fuck patience. You're going after it every single day, but at the same time, bro, you should already be at 10 deals. Get your ass to 10 deals. Get your ass to 15 deals, because you need to leverage out. And if you know that, you're like, fuck, dude, I pushed hard for those 3 deals. Okay, good job. Now you know it's not easy. All right, so if I'm pushing hard for those 3 deals, now I need to fucking replicate myself. How do I get 3 more me's? Even if they're trash in the beginning, how do I train these people? How do I get them to believe in me? Dude, the same thing happened when I was like working for a company and they told me to fucking make a team. I literally hired my best friend. And he was trash, like completely trash. Now he's a VP of my fucking company. Because I could trust him, and I know that he's worked his ass off. Now he drives fucking nicer car than me, does really good for himself, makes good money. He's gonna have equity in my company when it sells, everything. Like, that's exactly like the relationships you need to cultivate. You need to find a core of 5 people, bro, and make them your family. And that's not easy. That's not easy. It's easier said than done. Because sometimes you're gonna lose patience. I know how you are. You're the same way as me. You have an ego. You have a big ego. That's not bad. It's not bad. That's what's gonna get you through sometimes when you're like, fuck, I need to push through this and I need to get through the other side. But eventually, bro, you're gonna run into something that's bigger than you. And you're gonna need people to fall back on. Because trust me, same thing happened to me. Yo sentía que me tragaba al mundo, bro. Like that, oh, I could do it all. Trust me, dude, once you start playing in the big leagues, people that have 5,000 plus employees right now, I'm speaking to a guy that has over 5,000 reps nationwide, bro. 5,000 reps. Like, what the fuck? Like, that's a lot of reps, bro. That motherfucker's pulling, like, his company is fucking rated high in the Inc. 500, bro. We're talking about 2-digit numbers. Inc. 500 companies. We're talking about Coca-Cola's on that bitch. We're talking about big ass companies, and his solar company's on there. Like, that's some real shit. That's even bigger than like any company in California. Any company you could think of, that anyone that you think that's big in solar is a fucking ant compared to this guy. Is a fucking ant. Like, they're little boys to him, bro. He'll kiss them on their fucking forehead, bro. Like, put them asleep, bro. Like, that's the type of shit that, like, we're doing. So, like, I'm focused on that. I'm focused on a different stage. Mm-hmm. So, I'm telling you, the money will come. The money's gonna come, regardless. You will find the right money, but you need to prove your results to yourself. Because before, si no, te va a tocar el dinero, güey, y va a valer madre. Because you're gonna be like, I'm comfortable. You're gonna be comfortable with 300, 400. Trust me, you might not think of it right now, but once you see it and you're like, shit, I could move money and I could do everything, then you're gonna be like, shit, okay, I'm cool today. I don't have to knock. I don't have to do this. I don't have to hire. I can just chill on this shit. And you're gonna miss out on your opportunities. Because someone else is gonna be fucking you up, bro. Just taking your business right beneath your fucking nose every single time. So you owe it to yourself to get that type of shit, bro. and get what you need. Like, there's motherfuckers that I know, like how I said, like, I would prefer a higher red line with mentorship than a lower red line, $1,000. That's like if someone told me like, hey dude, I'll give you a 2.3, I'll give you a 2.3, or I'll give you a 2.35 or a 2.4, I'll give you 10 cents less, which is fucking $1,000 less. I'll give you $1,000 less, but I'll give you full-time mentorship with me. Like, when you're working here, you could ask me any question. Right there, those motherfuckers don't want you to know anything. They're just gonna fucking pay you. It's good way. ¿Me entiendes? Tú ya vas haciendo like a lot. Like, you're already taking the steps. You're going out there and you're doing your fucking thing. Do it. Keep doing it. Keep fucking trying. Keep like fucking trying, failing, trying, failing. Bro, at the end of the day, what's gonna get you far is gonna be the ability to be able to reproduce yourself and the ability to be able to lead. It's not anything else, bro. It's not knowledge. It's not like, oh yeah, dude, all the other shit you're gonna learn as you go. Trust me.